NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Pathfinder Camping Multi-Fuel Stove Potato Gnocchi with chicken in tomato sauce.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back out at my hunting property getting ready for the evening hunt. But first I'm going to cook myself a little bit of kind of a late lunch here for me. So what do I got for you today? Well, I'm going to use my Pathfinder canteen cook set and use the canteen that has my water in it. I'm going to use again my multi-fuel stove that I got with my propane tank. I've got my Pathfinder skillet and lid. I'm going to use that, and I'm making basically some tomato sauce with some chicken and some potato gnocchi that I used in my previous video. I'm going to kind of cook the chicken and the gnocchi in some water in the skillet and I'm going to add a little of this powdered chicken bouillon to give it a little chicken flavor. And then I've got these ragu for one old world style traditional sauce packs. I was able to find these at my Harris Teeter, so I've got a couple boxes. So I thought these were pretty cool, especially, you know, you want to take some tomato sauce on the trail in an individual packet for one. That's kind of cool. So I'm just going to cook that up. Once I cook the chicken and the gnocchi, I'm going to add that sauce, and then I'm going ahead and I got some spices here. I got a little some grated cheese I got from Pizza Hut and some special seasoning from Papa John's to give it a little bit of flavor. So let me go ahead and get the stove set up with the propane tank and we'll start cooking. Alright, so I've got the stove hooked up to the propane tank bottle, and remember, as I said last time, you've got to connect the adapter to this hose first and then screw the adapter into the tank, otherwise it'll spray gas up and about. So alright, so I got this hooked up, ready to go. It's a little windy today, but hopefully it shouldn't be too bad. Check, it's pretty level right there, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on a little bit of the gas. See, I may need my windscreen today. There we go. Ooh, turn that down a little bit. There we go. Alright, so, yep. Got that on. Got that on. Got it all set. Getting warmed up. Let's go ahead and get our skillet on. Go ahead and open just a regular old Walmart. I think this is like I got the dollar store white chicken, so I'm just gonna get that. Got the chicken in the pan. I'm going to turn this down. I'm just going to turn it down real low. We don't need these to cook fast or anything. So I'm going to add some water. Some water to help with that gnocchi cooking. And I'm going to add just a little bit of this chicken bouillon. Oop. I just want to keep checking, make sure that flame doesn't go out. So like I said, add just a little of the chicken bouillon flavor into the water, just to help that gnocchi get some of that chicken flavor as it cooks. Alright, I'm going to break up that chicken. I'm going to go ahead and add the gnocchi. A little windy today, so I'm going to go ahead and add this, set up my screen. little bit of black pepper. Handy dandy little condiment packs. And there. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on that and adjust the heat a little, and then I'll bring you back when that's cooked down, some of the water's gone, and then we'll go ahead and show you the next few steps, adding the sauce and the other spices. Alright everybody, so I've had this cooking for maybe about 10 minutes at this point, and you'll notice, I'll bring it up to the camera, you can see that the gnocchi and the chicken has kind of thickened up the liquid. The water has mostly kind of burned off the steam, and the gnocchi has absorbed a lot of the moisture, so they're nice and soft and filled with the flavor from the chicken broth and the chicken juice that was in the can. So at this point, I've really turned down the gas, and I'm going to go ahead and add our ragu single packet here. So let's try to add this. Gone ahead and added the ragu sauce in there. I'm just going to kind of mix this around. I don't want it to burn on the bottom, so I just wanted this to simmer and let that gnocchi kind of soak up again some of this sauce. Wow, that wind's really blowing today. You can see it just blew over my windscreen. It smells delicious. I'm going to go ahead and get this on. I just want that to simmer a little. So let's take my Papa John's special seasoning pack here and add this. Perfect. Right, so at this point you just want the sauce to simmer a little. Stir this. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the lid on and let that simmer. I'll adjust the fuel down, or the gas a little bit lower, so it just starts to simmer, and then we should be ready to go, and I'll bring you back and show you the final product. Alright everybody, I think this is ready. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the gas, kind of lift the lid and kind of show you what I got. Oh my, look at that. Look at that. Potato gnocchi with some chicken and a ragu single packet for tomato sauce. Absolutely delicious. And for that final step, I'm just going to go ahead and add. I'm going to take down my windscreen. The wind keeps changing direction on me, so I'll just fold this up and put it back with my stove for next time. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and add that last little bit of the Pizza Hut grated cheese. I'll go ahead and add that on there. Oh yeah. Perfection. Awesome. So I'm going to go ahead, kind of mix this up, and go ahead and enjoy this meal in the woods. I'll give you just another glimpse. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to go get a little taste. It's amazing. You've got that adding that a little bit of extra bouillon into the liquid that was in the chicken can, plus adding a little water, helped those gnocchi really soften up and kind of rehydrate. They're kind of dry coming out of the package, obviously. Kind of cooking them absorbs that chicken flavor, and then of course that single packet of ragu is perfect. I mean, if you were on the trail, again, like everything here, right, you could take with you if you were hiking or backpacking or truck camping, or like me, you know, I'm just coming here to cook a meal right before I hunt. You know, everything can store, right? Canned chicken, the gnocchi, right? It's all in a package on the shelf that's not refrigerated. And then the ragu single packets are just absolutely awesome. So I just added it, threw some spices in there that we've gotten from Pizza Hut, Papa John's when we ordered pizza. Just kind of grab some of those packets when you're in the store, and there you go, a nice seasoned potato gnocchi with chicken and tomato sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this meal and get ready to sit in the stand for this evening. Again, thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. The logo, my logo for NC Piedmont Outdoors, in the bottom right hand side of this video. You know, just click on that and you'll subscribe. We're up to 61 subscribers now, so it's awesome. Appreciate all the views, appreciate all the comments. If you have any comments, please drop me a comment. I'm happy to respond to them. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll catch you next time soon with a new video.
NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, hunting, and fishing adventures. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.